Master the art of AI content creation. Boost your introduction. In today's digital age, mastering AI content creation is the key to boosting YouTube channels in 2024. The significance of leveraging AI content creation cannot be overstated. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, creators can streamline their workflow, enhance the quality of their content, and engage with their audience on a deeper level. Moreover, embracing innovative strategies for self-improvement is crucial for staying ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of online content creation. By continuously learning and adapting to new technologies, creators can unlock new opportunities for growth and success. As we look ahead to 2024, the potential for achieving new heights with AI is truly exciting. By embracing AI-driven tools and techniques, creators can expect to see significant improvements in their content quality, reach, and engagement levels. Get ready to revolutionize your YouTube channel with the power of AI. Understanding AI content creation. AI content creation refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies to generate, curate, and optimize content for various platforms, including YouTube. By leveraging AI, creators can enhance the quality and efficiency of their content production process, leading to more engaging and impactful videos. There are a variety of AI tools available to creators that can streamline their content creation process. These tools range from automated video editing software to AI-powered analytics platforms that help creators understand their audience better and tailor their content accordingly. Several successful channels have already harnessed the power of AI for content creation to boost engagement. For example, channels like Tech Insider and Tasty have used AI algorithms to analyze viewer preferences and create personalized content that resonates with their audience, resulting in increased views and subscriber growth. Implementing AI strategies. Integrating AI into content creation is essential for optimizing channel performance in 2024. AI can help creators analyze audience preferences by providing valuable insights into viewer behavior, interests, and engagement patterns. By understanding these metrics, creators can tailor their content to better resonate with their audience, leading to increased views and subscriber retention. Data-driven decision-making is crucial in content creation, and AI plays a key role in this process. By leveraging AI tools to analyze data and trends, creators can make informed decisions about their content strategy, video topics, analyzing audience behavior and preferences to deliver personalized content that resonates with viewers. AI also plays a significant role in optimizing SEO strategies to improve video visibility and reach. By utilizing AI-powered tools to analyze keywords, trends, and audience insights, creators can enhance their videos' discoverability and attract a larger audience. Furthermore, AI analytics provide valuable insights for tracking channel performance and making informed content decisions. By monitoring key metrics such as watch time, engagement rates, and audience demographics, creators can identify areas for improvement and tailor their content strategy to maximize channel growth and engagement in 2024. Future trends in AI content creation. As we look towards the future, exciting trends and innovations in AI content creation are set to revolutionize YouTube channels. Emerging AI technologies such as natural language processing, computer vision, and deep learning algorithms are reshaping the content creation landscape by enabling creators to produce more personalized, engaging, and high-quality videos. The advancements in AI are predicted to have a profound influence on content trends and audience preferences in the future. Creators can expect to see a shift towards more interactive and immersive content experiences driven by AI-powered recommendation engines and personalized content suggestions. To stay ahead in the competitive digital space, creators are encouraged to stay updated on AI developments and incorporate new AI tools and techniques into their content creation process. By embracing these future trends in AI, creators can unlock new opportunities for growth and success on YouTube. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI content creation is a game changer for boosting YouTube channel growth in 2024. By leveraging AI technologies, creators can enhance content quality, engage with their audience more effectively, and optimize their channel performance. From analyzing audience preferences to optimizing SEO strategies, AI offers a wide range of benefits for content creators looking to stay ahead in the digital space. We encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video to support our channel's growth and stay updated on the latest AI content creation trends. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel or website to continue your self-improvement journey with AI. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in mastering AI content creation for your YouTube channel.